What's up, Mob? It's your boy Teflon Done, man, and we back. New video. Oh, as you can see, your boy rocking his Niner gear. Niner gear. My San Francisco 49 took down the New York Jets last night on Monday Night Football. If you guys ain't see it, man, um, yeah, best team in the league by far, and we was rested. But that's not here nor there, man. Today we're gonna get into these AKA packs and we got a new pack in the store that we gonna get, the Master Fantasy pack, and it's just a slight pack opening to get you guys something on the channel because I ain't been posting content over the weekend. Been having like a long weekend. Been like I said in my last video, I think I said this last weekend would have been like the last weekend that I really had a lot of stuff to do, so I'd be constantly edit from now on. We got sports back, football is back, y'all. Football is back, man. Want to know? Shout out to everybody who team want to know, man. You know, if you ain't want to know, you ain't doing that. If you ain't don't get in the comment section if you ain't want to know, man. But anyway, guys, let's get on into the pack opening. Packs they do have a limited, aka Mark Gastineau. I want to say is how you pronounce it, Mark Gastineau, or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. See can we get a Mark Gastineau? Even though spoiler alert, I already got one. And they gonna show y'all that when I show y'all the new team. We scrapped the team, new team coming. Y'all get ready for that video, man. It might be after this, but yeah, I got my points that I always just had sitting on here. Try not to be going double dipping the wheel all the time, but I like to keep points on here. So we're gonna open our BND player. Let's open it. Alright, man, so let's get into this BND pack. I had to do a slight little pause, man. I had to go check out what that was at the door. And we just get a 7 average. I mean, man, I ain't expect to get nothing else, nothing bigger than that. So now we got the Master Fantasy pack. We're gonna grab this. And hopefully it don't open the packs, which I wouldn't want it to. Yeah, and it's gonna open it right off the jump. So Elton Jenkins and seasonal boom player. Is it a big one? No. I don't even know which one to go for most. I'm just gonna get Elton Jenkins. People usually pick up linemen. Linemen usually go for a lot. Chavez, and we got a 82. What's this? Team builder. Pete Warner. The Niner and me want to take Chavez. Oh, I get two, so we're gonna take Pete Warner because I hate the Bears. And we got Campus Legends, Joe Out, which I already have. But it's an 86, it said 85 plus. So and we get a big Richard. Oh, another 9 Joe Out. Ah man, I don't know who's the most. Fuck. I wish I knew who was going for the most. I'm probably say Joe Out because he's at 86. So let's just take Joe Out. So nice little pack. Got an 86, not too shabby. But I think this the pack that gonna show you what you really gonna make. Cause I think in this one you can get either 88 or 84 aka limited. So if we can get the Mark Gastineau, that'll be cool. We just sell them. Like I said, I already picked them up. Spoiler alert. We're gonna open the token. We're gonna get the token out the way. And you see we got 3,500 training. I might open some of those fantasy packs, whatever they call, and just see what we get, just to do a little light pack opening along with this. So yeah, let's do our 80 plus, and the 80 plus we could get lucky. We could, not saying we is, just saying we could get lucky. Joe Klicko, and then we're gonna get the other 80. Let's see what we grab. Like I said, it could be a plus, but probably not. No, small. Another Joe Klicko. And this is the big one. We're gonna either get an 84 or 88 limited. I should have looked at the odds on it. It don't say limited, so we're getting an 84. And we got an 84 Joe Klicko. So basically, we probably can make Joe Klicko if we want it and sell them. Yeah, and I said we were gonna do the mystery packs. So let's do mystery packs until we run out of training. So I got 3,500 training. It's like 300,000. We got an Ace Fantasy pack. Let's open it. See what we get. Yeah, I think it's like I want to say this like 300 and a half. So probably like 350 in training. We get 3 picks. We're gonna take 79. Little Kenny Pickett. For Kenny Pickett. We going with the promo. I hate that on Eagles. Maybe still the Steelers. So Pro 8 fantasy pack not that bad. Let's take the Chief. He's a Chief. Let's take we can get two. So give me a kicker two. Not bad, not bad. I don't think that was too shabby for a pro for what we got there for. Let's go 200 more. Boy, elite pack. Okay, get some good packs, man. I know the rushing pack is bad, and of course the 70+ pack. And what do we get? We got a coin card. Can it be a big coin? 82. Okay. I ain't gonna sit here and brag and say that we gonna make our coins back, but let's see if we get close to making them back. And there goes the dreaded rushing pack. So we can basically chalk this up as a L. Yeah, see, you get nothing but goals out of this, but we got some high goals. I think we got 76. We get the whole pack. Okay, cool. We get the whole. I'm so used to these fantasy packs now that I be forgetting that you get the whole pack. Okay. Let's see if we snag a Legends pack at this thing. If we get a Legends pack, we probably gonna hold it until the weekend. Another core pack. This gives okay. This count as our elite though. This probably gonna count as our elite. 82 Charles Amino, former Niner. Yep. So they counted as our Taylor Duck got 79. That's crazy. I didn't know that. But yeah, Charles Amino, who former Niner. He gonna count as our elite. Like I said, it's about like 300K that I'm spending on this in training. I think I sold like a quick sold a 80, a 85 and a 86. I think I did. Quote me, but I think I know I quick sold Brandon Staley and I quick sold another left tackle. I think Willie Rowe. So yeah, somewhere up there. And I probably sold a little more stuff to get it, so don't quote me on that. We got a Campus Legend pack right here. Can we get a big one though? Nah, this is a small one. This is an 80 though. Oh, we got two spots in here. Let me see, 8. I thought it was just one spot. I guess I was wrong. But we still look like we probably got about 10 more packs, maybe 9 to 10 more packs, maybe 8. We gonna say 8 at the least. At the least, we got 8 more. And I just run through these, cause these are just bad. So I just like to run through them. I guess we just hit something crazy. I like to run through these. Campus Legends pack. Campus Heroes. I know I call it Campus. That was it used to be called. I just want to see can I snag a big one. It's too short. 278. Next pack. I haven't hit a Legends pack yet. But we keep hitting these Russian packs. This is the third Russian pack we done got. See, I thought we got some. They tricked me. I thought we had got some. Guys. But we didn't. Trash Russian pack. And the other pack that's trasher than a Russian pack, the 70+. 71, 72. They usually give you exactly what they say they're gonna give you. Alright, so now at this point we probably got about 4 more packs of game time pack. This is bad because I don't think we can pull Xavier Word anymore. But we could still get like a CJ Stroud or something. This is not one. But it's 84 Deshaun Elliott though. I'll take that. We probably put him into a set, make some. Probably could put him in a Joe Klecko set, honestly. Make Joe Klecko and then get rid of him. Russian pack for the come on, not for the bread. Russian pack, bro. Man, we got nothing. Nothing but goals. Like the highest we got was a 78. Another Russian pack. Oh, they just rushing me to death now. I guess since we were rushing out over the Jets, it seems quite fitting, Terrible pack. This pack terrible, bro. They need to get rid of this damn pack or something. Oh my god, this pack so bad. And we might have 2 more packs left after this. Well, yeah, two packs after this. Can we get a big list? This might be a big one. Oh, yeah, I felt like it was longer. Come on, give me some. Not 278s. Yep. Then after this, we should have 1 more pack. Yeah, the game time pack. Let's see, can we hit Michael or CJ Stroud or something? Or Brock Bowers. Nope, this is not a big one because a stack of books didn't come up. Got an 80 Michael Carter. And then for our last mystery pack, what will we get? Hopefully it's not a Russian pack. Okay, Core Elite pack. I ain't want to go out on no BS. So we're gonna go out with a Core Elite pack. At least we'll get something good. It might not be the greatest, but it definitely be good. Oh, okay. What is this? 82 Joshua Downs. Okay, guys. So, I want to show y'all the binder, but I've been showing y'all some stuff that I bought that I ain't trying to show y'all right now, man. I told you got to come to the next video and catch the team update and the gameplay of the new squad. We scrapped the theme teams. I got tired of being out there getting pulverized because I'm trying to run theme teams and my people ain't how I really like them, how I like to play them out of position and stuff like that, because I got to try to keep them in certain spots for the chemistry. Now I don't got to do that. I can play my corners at safety, my safeties at corners, my linebackers, whoever I want to play them at. So check the next video, the new team update. And we just going where I feel I like best at every position. I can buy any card in the game. Honestly, I got 2.2 million coins, which can probably buy me almost every card in the game, except for probably the Gonzalez guy, the card is like 2 point some million. But I could scrap up and get them if I wanted to. But we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna end the video right here, mob, man. It's your man Teflon done, man. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We are streaming on Twitch. I'm kind of inconsistent with it right now, but for sure I always streaming on the weekend. But I will leave that Twitch down in the description below, man. Until the next time, peace. Go Niners.